Pasilong sa Naga. Pasilong sa Naga is a recently opened public park in Southern Cebu that features stunning architecture. On a regular basis, both locals and foreign tourists visit and discover the many Southern Cebu tourist attractions. There are numerous isolated beaches, old churches, and gastronomic outlets serving the island's most iconic foods. The City of Naga Boardwalk in Southern Cebu Industrial Hub is a popular destination to unwind and enjoy, but the list of attractions in the area is now longer owing to a brand new public park that recently opened. Pasilong sa Naga was constructed near the City Hall and Plaza for the people to take a break from the city hectic lifestyle in order to introduce more outdoor attractions to the people. This public park, which literally translates to "get some shades in Naga," strives to provide visitors with something to look at intricate architecture. Kenneth Cobanpo, a world-renowned Cebuano designer who also developed the Paint Sky Park at SMC Side Cebu, designed the Pasilong sa Naga. The park is made up of several big interlocking rings that are utilized in various ways. Cobanpo describes this as the circle of life, nature's way of receiving the giving back to the earth. The eye-catching walkway is formed by two interlocking rings and will undoubtedly be a great location for photo shoots. Water will flow up from above into two additional circles in the center, creating a different type of fountain. People can visit this recently opened attraction in addition to the famed City of Naga Boardwalk. The park is currently open from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning and 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. This is consistent with the following health rules: keeping the park clean and enjoying the show more as the sun goes down. The gorgeous pattern and show, as seen in the video, are a sight to behold. Many parks, such as Plaza Independencia and Puente Osmeña Circle, appear stunning in the moonlight, making them ideal Cebu nightlife destinations for budget tourists who consider not to attend parties or drinking sessions. Taking a photo with this renowned landmark in the background is one of the must-do activities in Cebu at night. The glowing lights provide color and charm to the intricate design. Aside from the circular walks, there are a few tables and sit under the trees. This is the place to unwind while eating a fast bite and spending time with loved ones. There are tables and seats under the huge trees for you to dine and relax, making it ideal place to relax. Its distance from the Naga Plaza is also an advantage, as spending the evening in the City of Naga makes for budget-friendly food trips and peaceful stroll along the baywalk and wide open space. It is also directly in front of another recently opened tourist spots, the Museo Naga, where you can learn about the past of one of the Cebu's most popular cities. In an effort to boost tourism in Southern Cebu, they also opened Museo Naga. Finally, the park doesn't have an entrance fee, so it's very cheap option for tourists who are visiting Southern Cebu. How to get there? Pasilong sa Naga is located just in front of Naga Plaza, across the street from the church. However, some sections of the south are noted for high traffic, so you might be able to leave early in the afternoon to escape rush hour. Commuters can take any jeepney that goes by Naga at the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes in Punta Princesa, Cebu City. But make sure to ask if they will pass by the city, since some will only stop by the town before it. What are you waiting for? Visit now the Pasilong sa Naga at Naga City in Southern Cebu. Thank you for watching.